Hi guys, it is March 28th, 2026. William here, and the Budgies survived the night. They're doing well, they're eating, and they're starting to chirp. I've heard them chirp a few times. They're doing good. The one on the right is called Betty, and the one on the left is called Bertha. Betty and Bertha. That's what I'm going to name them. Well, I reached 300 subscribers. Woohoo! Thank you very much, guys, for subscribing. Never thought I'd get this big, but yeah, that's great. I gotta get them a toy. Something to keep them stimulated. After a few days, I'm going to open the cage up and let them fly around the room. But right now, they're still acclimatizing to their environment. Let's get a close up here. Hopefully, they'll talk. They're young birds, so you can still teach them to talk. I usually say, pretty bird, and I love you. Maybe they'll start talking soon. Well, it's a slow day. Gonna clean my washroom, and I just cooked some potatoes in the microwave. Gonna have some potatoes. Gonna go grocery shopping on Monday. Well, thanks to all my viewers and all my subscribers and all my commenters. Especially all my subscribers. Thanks very much for 300 subscribers. And thanks for viewing the vlog. And I'll see you in the next vlog.